Mid-ocean scientists spend his days splashing like chasing webs. Is the laws of other reptiles. Its lines its past defense against attack. A hard shell on its belly. Octopus early ancestor of the only actually important about a modern turtle. Its shell developed total is still impaled the animal skeleton. Like other embryos, is made of unbranched cells. It becomes cells, its organ and systems is incomplete between looks very similar as of other reptile, bird and mammals of cells called the pan, the poly between the neck and lower back. Is the disc is of the upper part of the turtle shell. By a tarting shell that will become ribs. Is curving downwards to make it outward is the capital rigid. They then secrete a signature. The cells is into palm forming is until they meet and connect with Cerebral king of bone solely fed as live skin cells produces the scales that cover the carapace of the bottom half of the shell. Its nature with time inclusion is of different and its shells spread across the belly of that produce 9 plates like bones. Eventually connect of the surface by obvious advantage as grounding is have present form challenge. And serves between the bones, the flesh is rarely ribs cage. That's how then to breathe is muscle at the shell inside. Is breathe in and want to breathe out. So how this shell is still gaps in the to have been a thickening older no turtle ancestor is also Africa and 2 million and look old nothing like a modern turtle. Instead aboard flap ribs. The muscle is big of this power and most like now Southern Africa. This did have is so another later step in turtle evolution. With ribs Inoturosaurus is it might have full shell charities. A modern turtle is about 210 million years old. Its special called prosy. Coincidentally, its ribs had moved between water and land. In light, its stood retract its head into the wide spine on its neck. It's almost as bright and has settled themselves. The sea half-light shells is bleeding through the water. Land-dwelling turtles can sleep there of predator jaws. And head turning its side up it is the whole necklet and holds the ring of bone has edge its soft change its cutness covering it. Whose dreams are to